What's up guys, how you doing? Hope you have an awesome day today guys. Guys, I am going to go alone in the wild again today. It's a new trip, new track and everything like that, so I'm really excited guys. I've got something to show you guys. Check this out. Check this out, I just got it yesterday. It's my suitcase. There we go, look, oh it looks so cool. It's a new suitcase guys because I am going to be doing some traveling. I'm going to go to the Philippines and then next I'm going to go to Cambodia. So I'm going to be doing a lot of vlogging there. I'm really excited. I haven't traveled for like years because I work my ass off. So we're going into the forest now. We're going to do the 6-kilometer one. So we're going to do the 6-kilometer one. Check it right here. 6-kilometer track. So yeah, let's go check it out. Let's go. Wow, look how beautiful it is. Whoa. Wow, so beautiful. Oh. Hey guys, there's one thing I want to talk about, and that's depression. You know, I think life is very difficult. I think it's got so many obstacles in our life, which is why we fall into some sort of depression. We feel down and stuff like that. I feel that depression, most of the time, I feel that depression comes from like your life, the way it turned out. Like if you're not happy with your life, if you feel that your life sucks, you know, of course you're going to feel depressed because you don't enjoy your job or the way your life turned out. And I think that's why a lot of people fall into depression. They feel down because, you know, the main thing is that you have to change your life and do something that makes you happy. Because if you do something that makes you happy, then of course you're not going to feel depressed because you're happy. You know, your life has turned out the way you want it to be. I feel like depression, it's not like a virus that falls from the sky and it infects people. And that's why I feel like that if you change your situation, if you change your life to do something that you honestly enjoy, then I know that you wouldn't be depressed. And I know that for a fact because a lot of people that have done that don't feel depressed anymore. They feel happy. They feel like, you know, their depression is lifted from them. And that's what I feel, that, you know, depression, how people become depressed because they're, you know, honestly, their life sucks. And if your life sucks, then yes, you're going to be depressed. So I feel like changing your situation, doing what makes you honestly happy, will change your mind and change the way you think, and you'll be more positive and stuff. But, you know, keep going, guys, and be strong, guys. I always believe in you. I love you guys, and don't give up. Don't give up. Just keep going. There's always a light at the end of the tunnel, and you'll get there as long as you stay persistent and just keep going. That's all you have to do, is keep going. Don't give up, because if you give up, then all that work you did will be wasted. And so if you work so hard and you've gone halfway to reach a goal and you give up, then it's all wasted. So you might as well just keep going. Keep going. It will be hard. Life is not easy. So yeah, but keep going, guys, and be positive, guys. All right. Oh my god, it actually feels like Jurassic Park. Oh my god, guys, it actually feels like Jurassic Park. It's so dense, the forest is so thick, and it's just webs everywhere, big trees, plants that I've never seen before. It's crazy. Check this out. Oh, there's a canopy. Absolutely amazing. It's so thick, but it's so cool. Like, it feels so cool in here. Oh my god, it's like Jurassic Park. You feel like a dinosaur is going to come out of nowhere. Far out, it's crazy. Wow, this is amazing. This is a cool track. And it's so moist here, so you can see the ground. It's so moist. And it's just, even though it's hot outside, it won't dry because there's so many trees. There's just so many trees here that it doesn't, oh, there's so many webs, far out. Yeah, it's just so thick with trees, it just doesn't dry. It doesn't dry at all. It's just so thick with trees, man. Crazy. It's like you can hear all the wildlife. It's really beautiful here as well. I love going for these walks. It's so peaceful. Living in a city is crazy, eh? It's just like chaotic. People are annoying, people are rude to each other. It's just like everyone's annoying and stuff. Oh, and it's just like you need to get away from it, which is why I'm taking a long holiday. I'm taking a 1 month holiday overseas, which I can't wait, but it's going to be worth it. It's going to be worth the trip. So yeah, wow, this truck is beautiful. The only annoying thing is the webs. Far out, these webs are disgusting. Ugh. Well, as you can see, it gets so thick here, guys. It's so thick with canopy and trees. There's like barely any light here. Look at that. Feel how peaceful it is. It's so peaceful. Take a deep breath, breathe in, breathe out. It's absolutely beautiful. There's like no sun coming through here, no sun at all. It's like, you can see here, it's just like trees everywhere. It's crazy. And it's just like no sun. It's so much moss here and trees. It's like going back millions of years ago. That's what it feels like. Absolutely beautiful though. You don't see this a lot, especially living in the city. This is just amazing. Oh, these webs are annoying though, but the webs are everywhere. These beautiful trees. Oh, jeez, it's amazing. Absolutely a beautiful, oh. Oh, this big tree here. Massive. It's huge trees everywhere. massive. This tree. Woo! Far out. It's so beautiful here. It's like lush. So many trees, guys. It's just absolutely beautiful. It feels like Jurassic Park. It actually feels like Jurassic Park. The amount of trees, how this is the most dense rainforest I've ever been to. It's so thick. You can actually smell the moisture and like the decay of all the plants and everything here. It's just absolutely amazing. It is so pristine. It's so pristine here. Check this, look how big this tree is. It's massive. Look at these roots. Big tree. Huge. God. Spiders here. Oh. That's massive. Damn. This is massive, this tree. Far out. Wonder how old this tree. Far out, man. That is a huge fucking tree. Damn, look at this. This little opening here. Look at these trees here, they're like, holy, it's like Jurassic Park. Holy crap. It's like literally, wow. This is unbelievable, and this is opening here. Wow, 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 wow. The dense forest here. It's so thick with the canopy. Absolutely amazing. Holy hell, these trees are so beautiful. What are these? Yeah, you don't want to just eat anything. could be dangerous, so yeah, you better watch out. One thing I want to say is you got to watch out for for snakes. See, Australia has some of the world's most poisonous snakes in the entire world, and they live in Australia. So you have to watch out for your feet to not stand on a snake, because most of the time they'll be venomous or poisonous, and it could be your last walk through the forest. I'll tell you that. So snakes in Australia are the most dangerous and the most venomous, poisonous. I mean, yeah, that's pretty scary, isn't it? Easy. It's a bit of sunlight now, bit of sunlight coming out, which is okay, but I prefer the rainforest. Nice thick forest. It's just these spiders are everywhere. That's a sign that no one has been here for a while, and it looks like it's just me here only, but it's all good. I like being alone. Now guys, you got to watch out for things like this. So you might think it's a normal plant, but as you see inside here, you got the prickly spines, and you get on that, it's going to shred your skin. So be very careful. These very dangerous plants around here as well. So plants, snakes, spiders, you got to watch out, and also ants. They're pretty dangerous. Everything's out to get you in the forest. So guys, I've been on on this diet, like this really healthy diet. See, you know, I'm Greek, I'm half Greek, and I'm on a Greek Mediterranean diet, which is like high plant-based and some small amounts of seafood. I rarely eat red meat. I've been doing it for years, and when I go on hikes, I have so much energy, so much energy. I could go on for hours. I think what's happened is that the high plant-based diet has really enhances your energy levels, and it just makes you like super fit. I do eat meat, but it's predominantly seafood. I haven't cut out red meat, but it's so rare for me to eat red meat. I'll probably eat red meat like once a month, and that's it. But it's predominantly high plant-based diet. It's like high plant-based diet, 80% of plant-based, and the rest is like seafood. 20% is seafood, so I eat like a lot of fish, a lot of omega-3, but that actually helps a lot. It's my energy is like phenomenal. Like I outdo everyone in like endurance. I'm so fit. I've got asthma, and so it's like I rarely use my puffer because the what I eat, the plants, when you eat a high plant-based diet, it really clears everything and you feel so clean and healthy. And that's a good thing about having a high plant-based diet. And also seafood, I have a lot of omega-3 salmon. That's really healthy. Seafood, shellfish. But this diet is so good and I feel so fit. Like I'm not even tired. I have so much energy. It's crazy. Like I'm not even exhausted. I can just keep going hours and hours non-stop. So yeah. And there's this leech. There's leeches around here. Look at that. Ugh. I flicked it off. But there are leeches around here. Ugh. See if there's anything in my feet. Ugh. All that blood. Ugh. That blood there. Ugh. Stupid leeches. Ugh, it's disgusting. What the hell was that? What the hell? I heard like this really weird sound. What the fuck? We're not near any roads or anything. We're like deep in the forest. What the hell? That was so creepy. What the fuck was that? What the hell? It came from in there. What the hell was that? Bleeding, look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's bleeding so much. Stupid leech. So apparently there's a lookout here. Apparently there's some lookout out here. So we're clearing up a bit. I don't know how to get to my car. Far out, I'm a bit lost. I think it's the other way. Fuck! What the hell? Where the hell am I? Alright guys, here goes. Here's a lookout. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy. Wow. Holy. Holy, that is beautiful. Look at that, a little town. Wow. That is awesome. That is so beautiful. Lizard, look at that, look at that lizard. Oh my God. Look at that lizard. Whoa, look at that lizard there. Holy, look at the size of that lizard. Oh my God. It's massive. Whoa, it has something in its mouth. Wow, that is massive. So, I've run out of water. I've run out of food. So it's time to go back. I don't know if this is the right way, but I hope so. Oh yeah. I don't know if this is the right way. If it's not, then I'll have to just go back on that track again. But yeah, I think I went the wrong way. I'm gonna walk back on that track just so I don't get lost there. Because I've got no water. I've got no water, no food. So I gotta just be careful. So I'm just gonna go back on that track. Far out. It's gonna be another 6 kilometers if I go back on that track, but at least it will lead me back to the right way. I'm just not sure about this track, and I just don't want to go the whole wrong way. I have a feeling it's wrong, but I'm gonna listen to my instincts, you know. So yeah, see how that goes. What's up, guys? Just taking a bit of a breather. My chest is a bit tight because I was running a bit, and my asthma, my chest is a bit tight, and I'm just trying to breathe for air. I just need a bit of a rest. Oh, it sucks having asthma. It's not bad, but I just need to rest just for like 5 minutes to catch my breath because it's so hot and I went on the wrong track. Fuck. It's dangerous, eh? These tracks. You just gotta watch out which track you go on. If you go on the wrong track, man, there's so many mountains out here and it's so thick, the mountains. And if you go on the wrong track, you'll definitely get lost. So, fuck, my chest is tight. Oh, let's go. Oh, fuck. Should have brought my puffer. It's not that bad, but yeah, anyway, let's keep going. So this is here's a termite nest. So if you do this, you'll see the termites, and you can actually, here we go, actually survive off these. Here you go. You can actually survive off these if they have a lot of nutrition, but a nest is, there you go, there you go. They have a lot of protein, so if you're trying to survive, then these are good for protein. Wow guys, it is so quiet. It's so quiet. It's so cool. It's so cool out here and fresh, but it's so quiet. I'll let you have a listen. Hear it? Quiet. It's so beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's so cool as well. It's like an air conditioner. Wow. Wow, it's awesome. Wow. So much thick forest. It's like being in Jurassic Park in prehistoric time. Could you imagine millions of years ago it used to be like this? How scary would it have been just walking through here with dinosaurs? That's crazy, isn't it? Damn. Oh my god. Beautiful. Let's go. Wow. This is like one of my favorite parts of the forest. Are these trees here in this area here. Wow. It's so cool. It's so prehistoric. It's like being here a million years ago. It's so dark in here and you can't, it gets no sunlight. Literally no sunlight because it's so thick. But these trees, these kind of palm tree looking things look like Jurassic Park. And they just look insane, man. Oh, damn, they're beautiful. These trees here, look at that. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, that is gorgeous. God, it's like being in an air conditioner. It's so cool. You don't need a fan or anything. You don't even need any air blowing through here because it's so cool. So guys, I'll teach you something real quick. I learned this from Special Forces, but if you cut this is a vine. So this is a vine here, right? But in this vine, if you're thirsty and you're trying to survive in the wild and you have no water, if you cut this, water will actually come out of it and it's fresh and it's actually purified and it's safe to drink. So these vines, look out for these vines. They pack a lot of water inside them, guys. So just remember, don't forget these vines could save you. So yeah, let's go. Oh my god, I made it out. I made it. Oh my god, I'm not lost. That was so close to getting lost. Damn. Now that was the longest hike I've ever done. I literally did 12 kilometers. Whew. Oh, lucky I've got water. I got more water in my car. So let's get on out of here. Let's go. What's up guys? Alright, so I'm back from my hike, from a 12-kilometer hike, guys. I'm starving. I'm going to be making some fried rice, guys. Some awesome fried rice. I'll show you how it's done. It's done so easy. You can make it right now. So let's go. Let's make some fried rice, guys. Come on. Alright guys, so for this fried rice, all you need is eggs, garlic, cooked rice, some peas and veggies and stuff, soy sauce and oil, and that's pretty much it. So let's get started. Pinch of salt. Next, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Some of these. Alright guys, so we're pretty much just about finished now, the fried rice. Just gonna plate this now, eh? There we go. It's about finished. That smells so damn good. Let's get some of this. Beautiful. That's why I love cooking. Oh my god. That tastes so good. That's so good. Hot. Hot. Fried rice is so good. It lasts you for ages as well. You can just put it in the fridge and the microwave it. I'm gonna dig in, guys. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have an awesome day guys. Alright, see ya. Bye.